Start a new Blender session or reload startup scene from File, New, General. In this part, we'll animate the camera. Similar techniques can be applied to other objects. Animation is making an object move or change shape over time, and is typically achieved by using keyframes. Almost any parameter in Blender can be animated. We'll make the camera to rotate around the cube, so that in the camera view the cube appears to be rotating. Make sure that the 3D cursor is at the center of the cube. If in doubt, select the cube and right-click. Choose Snap Cursor to Selected. Add an empty, plain axis. It is now inside the cube. Press S and scale it up so that it becomes visible. Now, click first the camera and then shift-click the empty, so that both are selected and empty is the active object. Right-click and choose Parent, Object to make camera follow the empty. Note that there is now a dotted line between the objects, and camera is now under empty in the outliner window. Animate rotation as follows. Select the empty. In Timeline window, go to Frame 1. From Properties, Transform, Rotation, right-click Z Rotation Value, and choose Insert Single Keyframe to animate it. Then go to Frame 100. Change Z value to 360. Right-click, Insert Single Keyframe. Change Timeline Animation Range End Value from 250 to 100. Play the animation. The empty and the camera rotate. Press numpad 0 to get the camera view. The cube looks like rotating. Rotation speeds up and slows down near the keyframes. Pressing spacebar will pause and start again the animation. Change the workspace to animation. Change editor window type from Dope Sheet to Graph Editor. Press Home key to fit the graph to the window. Make sure the first keyframe is selected and right-click. Choose Interpolation Mode, Linear. Now the rotation is steady. Although barely visible, there is a slight stop in rotation at the end. This is due to the first and last frames having the same rotational value. Change the animation end value to 99. Now the rotation is continuous. Right-click to change interpolation mode to bounce. This is useful when animating a ball hitting the floor. Press Ctrl Z to undo, and then N to reveal the sidebar. Choose Modifiers, Noise. Reload startup scene by pressing Ctrl N, General. Hide the cube. For more general camera animations, add curve, path. Press Tab to switch into edit mode. From Overlays, tick Draw Normals so that the direction of the path curve is visible. Select and move the control points around by pressing G. Extend the NURBS path curve by extruding the endpoint with key E. Press Tab to switch back to object mode. We'll constrain the camera to follow the path. Select the camera and reset its current transformations from Object menu, Clear, Location, and Rotation. Now go to Properties, Constraints panel. Add Object Constraint, Follow Path. Choose NURBS Path as target. Tick Follow Curve and click Animate Path. The coordinates are evaluated in camera's local coordinate system, so forward is -z and up is y. Press spacebar to play the animation. It stops at 100 frames. Click NURBS Path Active and adjust camera speed from NURBS Path as Properties, Curve Panel, Path Animation, Frames. Make the default cube visible and active, and move it away from the camera. Click Camera Active. In order to constrain camera to always point at chosen target object, use Add Object Constraint Track to. Choose Cube as the target. Forward axis and up axis should be as in Follow Path Constraint. Play the animation. Note the blue dotted line connecting the objects.